If I'm going to do sharing in my classroom, guess what? The cap is, during morning meeting, 2 shares. That's it. All right, depending upon how many kids I've got in my classroom, it might take us 2 weeks to everybody getting a sharing time. But you know what? After the second kid starts sharing something, the rest of them are like, yeah, they're losing it. They're losing it. Because their brains don't have the capacity to be able to pay attention to something for that long. What's the adult attention span for Lesher? Who remembers? Between 15 and 20, and at 18 is when you start to see brain waves change. Isn't that fascinating? So, if you start seeing your kids unraveling during circle or morning meeting, because morning meeting is like way too long or way too boring or too many kids are getting an opportunity to share, yeah, that's why. Because if the adult attention span is only that long, you can imagine what the 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old attention span is.